It's cooking time again. Now first saute these onions. And now this one, organic native garlics. This is for our dinner until tomorrow lunch. So today I'm going to cook chicken, potatoes, biryani. Onions and garlics is already brown. Now we can put now this ginger. To be followed by tomatoes and green chilies. Optional, if you want to put green chilies, you can. If you don't like, then no need. Now we can put now this biryani masala. This one, biryani masala. This is Bombay biryani masala. This is very good, very nice. Good brand of masala. So I will put this one all because I will cook 1.5 kilogram of biryani. So I will not put all this one because I have extra from here. I have extra from here. So I will use this one. Now we'll put now also salt. Tomatoes is already paste. Now we can put now this potatoes. Optional. If you want to put also potatoes, then you can put also. You can add. Now we have to cover this one. We cook this one for 5 minutes and then I will put now this chicken. Now we can put now this chicken. This is one chicken. I think this is 2 kilogram. And very expensive kilo of chicken. I think 428 rupees 1 kilogram. So now I will put now this one. Bismillah. I did not put this one because this is bone, so I keep this one for my chop suey. I want to cook also chop suey. Now we have to cover it. Another casserole, I will cook rice here. So I will wait this one when it boiled, then I will put this rice, 1.5 kilogram of basmati rice. Must be you have to soak in water for 15 to 20 minutes like that. And then so I will remove now this water here and then I will put there in boiling water here. And this is the chicken masala of biryani. So this is already cooked. I will cook this rice half cooked only. Then I have to remove this water. still not half cook. So 5 minutes more, and then I have to make layer this one here. I will remove some chicken masala here, and then I will make layer 3 layers of rice and this chicken masala. I remove already water in this half cooked rice. Now we have to put now this rice here in this another container, in this non-stick wok, like that. Now we have to put again this one chicken layer like that. Three layer must be, we have to put 3 layer. Again, another layer. Now 3 layers of chicken, potatoes, biryani. Now we have to put also shredded cabbage. If you have this coriander leaves or parsley, then you can put also, but still we don't have, not yet ready our organic coriander leaves. So I use this shredded cabbage. This is very good also. And then we have to put also toppings, slices of tomatoes. Now we have to cover it and cook this one in slow fire. Done our dinner. Only Fahad, he did not eat. He will eat after maybe 30 minutes. And this is Reta. I make Reta. And this is yogurt. Commercial yogurt. I keep this one for tomorrow. Just only like this. And dew with Mountain Dew. So, alhamdulillah, kumain na kami ng dinner. Busog-lusog.